In a recent article I wrote, I shared 7 reasons why you fail at referrals. And today I want to share with you and highlight reason number 3. You think that if you ask more, you will get more. People think it's a numbers game, right? Do you feel like you missed an opportunity when you forgot to ask for a referral? You might have been told that when you sign a new client, you should ask them for a list of 10 of their friends and family that you can call to see if they need your services. The people on that list don't know you and may have never heard of you. This is not a list of 10 referrals. That is a cold prospecting list. That's direct prospecting, not referral marketing. When you're asking and coming from a place of not enough, you're coming from lack. Referrals come from a place of abundance. This takes a shift in mindset. It's not ask more to get more. It's give more to receive more. The best referral sources are other business professionals who can refer you over and over and over and over again. The most successful referral relationships are reciprocal. A productive referral marketing plan includes activating the law of reciprocity. When you give referrals and you work in collaboration with your referral sources, you will get more business. So that is one of the 7 reasons why you fail at referrals. If you're interested in more, I have workshops and retreats and programs that are designed to help you gain more business through relationship and referral. I'm Maile Colmer, and that's a tip from Maile's Referral Intelligence.